Morning everyone. Today we will start with standard 1 subject EVS. Everyone take your books out. EVS. Now we'll start with the first lesson, body parts. Here are two pictures of children. One is Soham and one is Rita. They have also grown up like you all. Let us look at the body parts. First is our head. Everyone show your head. This is your head. Next, it is your neck. This is your neck. The first part is your head, then is your neck. The third one is your chest. Where is your chest? This is your chest. Everyone look into your book also. This is your chest. Next is your arm. Which is your arm? This is your arm. From here to here. This is your arm. The next here is your hand. Which is your hand? This is your hand. Next is your palm. This is your palm. Which is your palm? This. This is your palm. Then is your leg. Your leg. Then is your knee. This part is your knee. Then it is the toes, the finger of your legs. They are called as toes. Next is your stomach. Where is your stomach? This is your stomach. Now, the next is your foot. See, this part of your leg is called as foot. Here, she is Rita. Now we'll see body parts from the behind. This is our hair. This part is called as your shoulder. This part is called as your back. The next one, this part where you can bend your hands, it is called as elbow. The next is your wrist, where you can fold your fingers. The next are your fingers. This part is called as your fingers. Next is your thigh. This part of both your legs are called as thigh. The back part of your leg is called as your ankle. This part. This is called as your ankle. Now we'll see some more parts of your face. This is your eyes. They are called as your eyes. This is your nose. And this is your mouth. The part here, it is called as your forehead. You have two ears. One ear and one ear. They both are called as your ears. Your cheeks. You have two cheeks. Here and here. Now, teeth. You have many teeth. And this, they are called as your lips. Now, we'll turn the page. Now we'll turn our page. Now we will learn about the more body parts. Our head. Our head rests on our neck. We have hair on our head. We can turn our head is a stomach. As food from the mouth goes into a stomach. The food that we eat goes into a stomach. Next is a legs and feet. They help us to kick a ball like this, and they also help us to run all over the ground, to stand, to walk and to jump around. For this, you can bend your knees only inwards. That is your knee, you can bend it only inwards. You can't bend it this way. You can bend it only inwards. Second, licking your finger while turning the pages of a book is a bad habit. Many of us have a habit to lick your finger and turn the pages. So this is a bad habit. Now we have finished the lesson and the question and answers of this lesson.